Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. This is Zainul Abidin. I hope you'll be fine. May Almighty Allah give you all the happiness in your life. So, guys, today video I specially made for those people who are capturing their photos, who are capturing their images from a simple Android phone, but they are didn't satisfy about their photos because they capture their photos from a simple Android phone. Due to their lowest quality of camera, their photos quality are also low. Obviously, everybody can't buy an iPhone Pro Max. But don't worry, I have bring the solutions for you. In this video, I will convert your image to HD quality. Means I will enhance your photo, and one should talk about your photo that you capture this image from iPhone Pro Max. So, first of all, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to inform about more new videos like this. So, let's switch to our mobile screen. So guys, we are on our mobile screen. So first of all, you have to open Play Store application. After opening Play Store application, you have to go to search section and search Remini app. R-E-M-I-N-I, Remini. You have to click on first option, Remini. So a lot of apps will show in front of you, but you have to select this one app, this one, Remini. But I already have installed this, so I will open it. This will take some seconds. Okay, this interface will show in front of you. So this is an ad of Remini app. You have to cancel it. So now you have to select the image that you want to enhance. Simply you have to go to your gallery and select that image which you want to enhance. So I selected this image. I wanted to enhance this image. This is not too clear, so through Remini app I will enhance this like iPhone Pro Max. So there are two options here. Once enhance, watch an ad. Means they are saying that you have to watch an ad and then your photo will be enhanced. And second option is remove ads and limits by Pro. You have to buy Pro through money and then you can enhance your image. So we have to click on enhance through watch an ad. I have to cross this ad. Again cross. So now here is our process. We have to add. What is in process? These features are adding to the picture. They are showing in front of screen. Removing blur, sharpening the picture, reducing noise, higher paradigm, adjusting few details. For just a few seconds, then your image will be enhanced. Blur, yeah. So, at last, our picture has enhanced like iPhone Pro Max. You can make difference. So, let's see. This is before enhancement and this is after enhancement. Look the difference. Look, before and after. How much difference you feel? Look again. Wow, an amazing app, yeah. You have to give it 5 stars. Look this, like iPhone Pro Max. Perfect. Now you have to go and at the top save option here. Save, watch and add. So after watching an ad, you will save your pictures to your gallery. So I have clicked on this. So at last our picture are ready and we have to click on done. So our picture will go to our gallery. So that was simple process to enhance your photos through Remini app. See, you can see here is my picture. Look at the difference, make the difference. This is the picture that I passed from remini. And now look at the real picture. Sorry, that one. That one the real, and that one the edited. So clear cut difference, 100% difference made by remini app, which enhance my photo 100% like iPhone Pro Max. So must watch it and must download it. Thank you so much.